simbot menteri rangba ke Jylla ubah Sngi phalang Dhar, ha ke Sngi palai ulapin phainia, ya ke jingkren jong u presiden ke VPP, u Arden Miller besayomoin, da ke boong bu ula ben Wan Iakhun nanartiang haus nam arajar arpupra. Haba keren kinong tho Khubor, uba Dhar ula ong ba unu ula ben Wan Iakhun namar Ngam Dei Trai jong Constituency, hinrei tangu MLA jongka. Ula ongru baha ke election arjar arpupra, baro ki parti kum ke NPP, UDP, BJP but VPP, kini khun paidbah. Hinrei ula banjuru ba umla ban khangla diu no ban Wan Iakhun nanartiang. Halor ke jinge trelang jong ke NPP but BJP, uba Dhar ula ong kani kan amkta ya ke jingkermen jong ke parti ha ke election ban wan. Ula binrab ba ki paidbah ke Jylla kitip bahaya no banjir, bat ungait ba ke NPP kandang bat iki babon ki shuki house nam arjar apupra.
Market in the state of Meghalaya rural market. And that day there is no public, hardly 250. And because of the picture, it shows a lot of people. Please remember, wanrah is they are a very, very good people and they are they are having their own principle. They elect me full time as an MLA. Please remember not like non-crime, they keep changing every now and then. Uyele udon ben, then ben. Masang baru yelai, udah dalam power melai, UDP run saya yelai, UBJP run saya yelai, UPP run saya yelai. Tangko enggak nong ke Constituency juga nak penyelek unu bakwat ngam lah kan. Why they need to seek permission from me? I am not the owner of that Constituency. I am the MLA of that Constituency. Anybody who can come, no problem. In terms of election for 2028, why we should invite somebody? Everybody is free to contest. Simple as that. Leave it to them. We will leave it to them. The market BJP Trai kan boh lau jong candidate. Yo Trai ke UDP ro yo kan boh lau jong candidate. The kiwe kilai boh pelai TV. Tahun sampai yo the kimbo part kata ngin saya discuss pada how to discuss with them.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.